Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to use Glutathione Serum for skin whitening. Apply a pea-sized amount to cleansed skin each evening before moisturizer. Start with patch testing on the jawline for 24 hours to check sensitivity. Use sunscreen each morning to prevent rebound pigmentation. Track results with photos every 2 weeks and adjust frequency to every other night if irritation appears. Be patient and consistent for visible improvement. Before full face use, wash your face with a gentle cleanser and pat dry. Perform a patch test on the jawline and observe for 24 hours to confirm no adverse reaction. If mild tingling occurs, continue daily. If burning appears, stop immediately and apply a soothing moisturizer. Keep a simple diary of reactions and times used to spot patterns. Use results to guide safe, gradual introduction to your routine. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is a fun pick to keep your car smelling fresh during skincare runs, and it pairs humorously with self-care routines. I find a fresh-smelling ride makes errands more enjoyable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. At night, after cleansing and toning, dispense a pea-sized amount of Glutathione Serum. Gently press the serum into the cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin, avoiding the eyes and lips. Allow it to absorb for 1 to 2 minutes before applying moisturizer. Start 3 times a week and increase to nightly as tolerated. Always pair with daytime SPF 30 or higher to protect new skin and maintain results.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.